Hi everybody, this is Patti and I'm in Patti's kitchen and I'm about to bake some butter swim biscuits. But I just wanted to say hello to all of y'all. Happy Sunday. I hope everyone is doing well and I'm doing well and it's a beautiful day in my neck of the woods. We're having some awesome weather today. It is a little sunshiny outside, maybe a little cool, but not bad. I just wanted to bring you all in and show you how I make the butter swim biscuits. They are awesome. They're simple to make, and I mean, anyone can make them. It doesn't take a lot of time. And the ingredients that I'm using, I'm going to show you that. Let me get you over here closer. Just bear with me. And I'm going to show you the ingredients to make these butter swim biscuits. Okay, in this bowl here, I have sifted 2.5 cups of white lily all-purpose flour. White lily all-purpose flour. I've sifted 2.5 cups. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. And I have put in 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 4 teaspoons of white granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt, and this is iodized sea salt. I don't use a whole lot of salt to cook with. And in this 8x8 dish, you can see here, I have 1 stick of pure unsalted Lana Lakes butter. Here it is. And I'm going to mix my batter and just plop the biscuits right in here. And I will start out with 1.5 cups of buttermilk. 1.5 cups. Shake your buttermilk well. And that's it. Those are all of the ingredients. I have preheated my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I am going to bake the biscuits for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, hi, I'm back. And as I was telling you before I ended my conversation the last time, my oven is at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, depending on your oven, you will have to kind of weigh the temperature that you need and the amount of time to bake the biscuits. It's anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so let's get started with this. I don't want to get criticized like I did before by not showing how I mixed the dry ingredients together. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just whisking everything together, incorporating all of the dry ingredients that I have shown you. Okay, now 1.5 cups of buttermilk. And here's the 1 cup. So we will pour that in. And I have my spatula here. And I'm going to mix everything with the spatula. And the effect that we're looking for is the sticky. Okay, this is a 1/2 cup of buttermilk going in. So this is your 1.5 cup. If I need to add another half, we will do that. Okay, but right now we're going to mix everything, stir in everything. We don't want to over mix, pulling in from the side and just kind of stirring it in like this, like so. And we want that sticky. That's what we're trying to accomplish here. The sticky. Okay, pulling it in from the sides. You know, with biscuits and cakes, you have to be very careful not to over mix. Okay, just kind of pulling it in from the sides like so. And I think we're going to need a little more of buttermilk, maybe a fourth or maybe the half. We'll just see here. I'm going to add about a fourth more. This is what it's looking like so far. See? But I haven't mixed everything in. So I'm going to do about a fourth more. Let me get a fourth measuring cup. Okay. We will do this. We're not going to go in with a half right now. We're just going to go in with a fourth. Okay. This is a fourth. I'm going in with a little bit at the time and see what we have here. I want to get it well incorporated. You just slowly add your milk in so you won't get just go and put all that fourth in there, and I think this will do it because we want that sticky kind of effect. We got to be sure we got all of the batter well mixed. So you just slowly add your milk in because you may, and if you have it too soupy, you just add a little bit more flour. But I think this is fine. It's that we have the stickiness that we want here. See that? Have the sticky. So we've incorporated everything well. So this is the melted butter that I have in this dish, and we're just going to put the batter in the butter like so. Gonna get all of the batter in here using the spatula. Okay, get all of this in. I like to clean all of my ingredients out with the spatula. Take my finger here, and I've washed my hands and they are impeccably clean. Brushed my nails as well. Okay, now I'm going to take the spatula. Let me wash my hand off and put the bowl over here. I like to kind of clean as I go. Okay, let me get this all cleaned up here. Get me some paper towel for my hand. Clean off my hand. Dry my hands with. Okay. Now, I hope you can see this. I'm going to just Put all of the butter, spread it around evenly on the sides in the middle. It's gonna do this. Try to get it spread all around the dish evenly, like so. And you can see all of that rich butter. That's why they're called butter swim biscuits. They're swimming in the butter. I've done this recipe before and it is amazing. Simple. Trying to get everything evenly spread out. Okay. Get it all along the sides, on all four corners. I love to bake. I love to cook, but I love to bake. Always have. Since I was very young. Always in the kitchen with my mama and my aunt. I watched my grandmother as well. Okay. Well, my grandmothers. Okay. I remember on Sunday evenings visiting my grandmothers, and they would be in the kitchen cooking. Ooh, such good food. And both of them could really cook. Okay, now, let me show you what I have here before I start cutting in. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. So, I'm going to cut 9 squares. I'm going to try and get them as even as I can. Going to cut in the dough like so. And let's see. Now, I have tried to cut in 9 squares in this 8x8 dish. So it's all ready to go in, and I am going to put it in the oven. Let me get this off the sides of my dish. Now it's going in the oven. In the center of the oven, I have put it. Now I'm going to start off with 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do 20 minutes to start. Alexa, set the timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, I'll bring you back and show you what they look like once they come from the oven. Okay, Facebook family, YouTube family, TikTok, and Instagram. This is Patti, and I came back to show you the butter swim biscuits. Here they are, golden brown, and I've cut one out of the dish And I'm going to let you see what it looks like. This is it on top. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, I am going to take a bite. And this is the back, the bottom. It is good. All I need is some jam, strawberry jam. I'm going to be making some strawberry jam, and I'm going to bring you in and show you that process. But please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends and family about us. Please hit that subscribe button and send comments. Let us know what you think about the channel, the page, and have a great, great Sunday. Be blessed, be careful, and I love each and every one of you. Thanks for supporting and following, and I will talk to you on the next video. Goodbye.